Hey guys, Brandon Reichmacher here, student at Jones Technical Institute. Today I'm going to be going over transmission power flow, how everything works inside of it. Over here we got an Eaton transmission with the top half off. So you can see all the gears inside, see all the rotation and how everything works. Start off with explaining a few parts. Here we got our input shaft. This goes into the clutch and into the bell housing to spin the transmission. Inside we got the main shaft, which is this big center one. You got your one counter shaft and then your other one. This one here is a 2 counter shaft. Some of them can be 3 and others are singles. Just depends on the manufacturer of the transmission. First I'm gonna go ahead and go over the idler gear. This is for your reverse gear. What it does is this is a gear in between the counter shaft and main shaft to actually, instead of reversing the spinning of the counter or the main shaft like normal, the idler gear helps or makes the reverse gear turn the same way as the counter shaft, so as to put the transmission in the reverse. Next we got your sliding clutches. You see down here, this is what locks the gear into place. Roll this over a little bit. See, now the clutch is engaged. If I spin the input shaft, it'll spin the tail end of the transmission, which is taking power from the counter shafts right here, applying it to this gear, and then in the main shaft out the back into the auxiliary. Now this transmission is an overdrive transmission, so you got your 5th gear here, 4th gear is here, which is your 1-to-1. Got your bearings and everything in here to keep everything all in line. And now I'm gonna give you all a little example or explanation of the auxiliary on these transmissions. The one we got on this one is a 2-speed. Now there are 3 speeds such as this one, but this one's already off, so I'll go ahead and show you all this one. Same thing like in the transmission, these are your counter shafts. Transmission power flow comes through here off the output shaft on this gear, through these, and now when the transmission's in low range, like 1st through 5th, through these counter shafts, onto this gear, through your main gear and your auxiliary. And that's your low speed gear. Now for your high speed gear, which would be like 6th through 10th in that transmission, this synchronizer is just locked right onto the output shaft, the output gear on the transmission, and then you're in a 1-to-1 ratio. That's pretty much how the power flow and transmission works. Y'all have a great day.